ओए विवेक, क्या कर रहा है? 5 ऐसे फूड्स की लिस्ट बना रहा हूँ जो वैसे हेल्दी हैं लेकिन डिनर में नहीं खाने चाहिए। अच्छा लेट मी गेस, इसमें तो होगा ही। हाँ, तुझे कैसे पता? तूने भी अष्टांग हृदयम सूत्रस्थान का चैप्टर 6 पढ़ रखा है क्या? कमाल है। नहीं यार, एक्चुअली मुझे अपनी किस्मत पे पूरा भरोसा है। कैसे? मतलब कोई चीज इतनी पसंद हो और वो गलत ना निकले, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता। In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 foods that you must avoid at dinner and the best foods to eat. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. Dinner is the most sensitive meal of the day. One might get away with an unhealthy bite during the day, but post-sunset when the digestive capacity of the body reduces, wrong foods can seriously sabotage health goals. Let alone junk food, even the healthiest of foods can cause indigestion. Over a period of time, wrong dinner options can cause gain in weight, loss of skin glow, hair fall, disturbed sleep, lethargy, and even chronic health problems. Here are 5 foods that you should absolutely avoid during dinner along with healthier alternatives. Starting with number 5 on the list are leafy vegetables. When it comes to iron and essential micronutrients, leafy vegetables are powerhouses. Being such nutrient-dense foods, they aren't so easy to digest, and Ayurveda suggests that they best be avoided in dinner. Shocked? Well, a food may be a superfood on paper, but if consumed at the wrong time, it can turn into a nightmare. Consuming green leafy vegetable curry for dinner can make you toss and turn in bed the whole night. It may cause gas, headaches, and diarrhea. However, if you want to consume green leafy vegetables after sunset, first ensure that they are cooked and not raw. Secondly, when it comes to leafy vegetables, less is more. Let's say you plan to have chapati for dinner. So while kneading the dough, add a few leaves of green leafy vegetable to it. Similarly, a few leaves can be put in dals, soups, rice pulao, etc. Avoid having them as a main course curry. So foods like palak paneer, saag, aloo methi are best if consumed in lunch. This way your digestive system won't be overloaded and you will get the maximum benefit from green leafy vegetables. At number 4 are salads. Want to lose weight? Start eating salads for dinner. How often this advice is thrown at you. But you need not torture yourself, as salads are not an ideal dinner food. In fact, it's the exact opposite of eating right. Salads are cold in potency. It requires a lot of heat to get digested, which is compromised in the absence of sun. With digestive juices being diluted, hopping on salad is like throwing wood in a burnt out fire. This is the reason people who eat salads for dinner are more prone to gas, bloating, and other digestive disorders. If at all you can't do without having salad, firstly keep the quantity low. Secondly, avoid cold watery vegetables like cucumber, radish, and beetroot. Rather prefer hot-natured options like carrots, turnips, tomatoes, and capsicum. Also, do not forget to add further heat to them in the form of spices. This will beat their cooling effect to some extent. Although it is most wise to consume vegetables in the form of a soup during dinner. Soups are not only packed with nutrients but are also much easier for the body to digest. Tomato soup, corn soup, or mixed vegetable soup, they are not just tasty but also filling. One can add roasted makhana to add calcium and crunch to them. Similarly, sprouts should absolutely be avoided for dinner. No doubt they are among the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. But eating them for dinner, you are doing more harm than good. This is the reason Ayurveda presses so much on the right way of consuming food. Sprouts are not just raw but heavier to digest than salads, so strictly keep them limited till lunchtime. At number 3 is curd. No doubt curd is a storehouse of protein and essential micronutrients, but that doesn't mean it can be consumed at any time of the day. According to Ayurveda, curd is a strict no after sunset. That's because post-dusk our body's temperature naturally dips. Curd being cool and mucus forming, if consumed for dinner, it blocks the subtle channels and may become the reason for cough, sore throat, runny nose, sinus, fever, and constipation. Although if on a certain rare occasion you can't do without curd, ensure that you reduce its cooling properties by generously adding black pepper in it. An alternative can be spiced buttermilk, which serves the purpose. Definitely not ideal, but still better than curd. Even lemon can be added guilt-free to pulses to experience that tangy flavor that all curd lovers crave for. At number 2 are fruits. Fruits are the most high pranic foods that are ideal for the body and mind. However, not for dinner. They too, being raw, can give a tough time for the stomach to digest. As per Ayurveda, mucus-forming fruits like banana, cold nature fruits like guava, citrus fruits like orange, and watery fruits like watermelon should strictly be avoided post-sunset. A fruit is best consumed before 5 p.m. Although if you wish to have a piece of fruit after sunset, prefer hot-natured fruits. Mango, pineapple, muskmelon, lychee, papaya, and dates are naturally hot in potency. However, the lesser the better. Also, one should make it a point to always consume a fruit before and not after a main meal. Some people mistakenly consume fruits after a meal as a sweet dish. This is bound to cause digestive problems. Of course, some fruits like mango are an exception. Fruit juices are even worse. Being cooler than fruits and devoid of fiber, drinking them post-sunset is simply asking for trouble. Finally, at number 1 is heavy food. Heavy food doesn't necessarily have to be outside food. Although if you want to dine out, lunchtime is surely a wise decision. Overeating healthy food can cause trouble too, especially post-sunset. However, there are certain foods and combinations that are intrinsically heavy to digest. Let me quickly share 3 such foods. First, beans. It is best to avoid chickpeas, black chana, and kidney beans for dinner. You can instead have lentils. Khichdi with an equal amount of hand-pounded rice and moong dal is among the top dinner options. Yes, rice can be taken at night. Just make sure to add heating spices like bay leaf and black pepper in it. Second is roti and rice together. Do you often eat wheat roti and rice together? Well, it's too heavy for dinner. It is an ideal food to gain weight but should be kept limited till lunchtime. Third, combining 2 protein-dense foods like lentils and paneer for dinner is like tripling on a bike. You might have to pay for it later. So these were the 5 foods that one should strive to avoid post-sunset. In a nutshell, dinner should be eaten like a pauper, light and easy to digest. Dal rice, chapati with dal or a seasonal curry and soups are ideal. Food should be cooked and spiced well to make up for the absence of sun. Most importantly, dinner should be eaten no later than 7 p.m. Of course, one can have a glass of milk 30 minutes before going to sleep at night. However, if on a certain day you have a late heavy dinner, rather than regretting it, start the dinner with ginger salad. After dinner, drink about 50 ml of hot water. Water should be so hot that you are forced to drink it sip by sip. Then go for a walk. This will greatly help you. Ayurvedic scriptures point out that if one just learns to eat dinner the right way, sleep quality will improve, skin luster will be back, hair problems will subside, groggy mornings will be history, and one won't need many doctors in life. Would you like to see a similar video for breakfast? If yes, then please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Looking for genuine peanut butter in the Indian market? Check out MyFitness Natural Peanut Butter. Go through its ingredients. It has only one ingredient, that is 100% roasted peanuts. No hydrogenated oils, sugar, preservatives or artificial flavors. A good source of healthy fats, peanut butter can be a great addition to your diet. You can use it to make peanut banana roti, top it over fruit chaat, add it to shakes or have it just like that. MyFitness claims that this is the first peanut butter in India with 95% less oil separation. To buy MyFitness 100% natural peanut butter, click on the link down in the description box. Do not forget to apply the special discount coupon to get an additional 10% off. So friends, that's all for this video. You can now support my work by clicking on the join button below. Please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. You can also follow me on Instagram. My name is Vivek. I thank you so much for watching.